Did you know that your gut health impacts everything from your energy levels to your mental clarity? It's astonishing how many of us go through life unaware of the silent chaos brewing within. We indulge in processed foods, sugary snacks, and quick fixes, all while our gut suffers in silence. It's not just about digestion, it's about vitality. Our gut is often referred to as our second brain, and for good reason. It regulates our immune system, influences our mood, and even dictates how we feel on a daily basis. If you're grappling with bloating, fatigue, or those pesky cravings that never seem to quit, it might just be time to pay attention to what's happening in your gut. The good news? Healing your gut can be as simple as changing your diet. So let's explore 6 powerful foods you can start incorporating into your meals today to reclaim your health. Number 1, fermented foods. You know, things like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut. They're packed with probiotics, those little warriors that introduce good bacteria to your gut. It's like giving your digestive system a much-needed pep talk. Improved digestion, reduced bloating, who wouldn't want that? Just remember, when you're shopping, go for plain, unsweetened options. Those added sugars? They're like unwanted guests crashing your gut party, wreaking havoc and throwing off the balance. Now, number 2, bone broth. This isn't just some trendy health fad, it's a powerhouse of collagen and amino acids. Think of it as a soothing balm for your gut lining, helping to repair and reduce inflammation. The best part? You can sip a cup daily or use it as a hearty base for soups. It's comfort in a bowl, nourishing from the inside out. Together, these two can transform your gut health, one delicious bite at a time. Number 3. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are the unsung heroes of our diets. They're packed with fiber and prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria in our guts. Imagine that vibrant green on your plate, a promise of health and vitality. And here's a pro tip. Drizzling some olive oil on them not only adds flavor, but also enhances nutrient absorption. It's like giving your body a warm hug, ensuring it gets every ounce of goodness. Now, number 4. Let's talk about bananas. Just 4 of these golden delights can work wonders. They're gentle on the stomach, a perfect snack that supports gut health. Bananas are rich in prebiotics too, nurturing our gut bacteria. Whether tossed into a smoothie or simply enjoyed on their own, they offer a quick boost of energy and nourishment. So embrace those greens and bananas. They're not just food, they're your allies in wellness. Number 5. Garlic and onions, the unsung heroes of the kitchen, are more than just flavor enhancers. They're like tiny warriors for your gut. Rich in inulin, they feed the good bacteria, creating a thriving ecosystem right inside you. It's fascinating how something so simple can promote health in such a profound way. Just toss them into your meals, saute them, roast them, or throw them in a stew. They transform dishes and your gut health simultaneously. Number 6. Lastly, there's ginger, the fiery root with a soothing touch. It's not just a spice, it's a remedy. It fights inflammation and calms the digestive storm. Brew it into tea, let its warmth wrap around you, or grate it into your meals for that spicy kick. It's like a hug for your insides. Together, garlic, onions, and ginger create a symphony of flavors and benefits, reminding us that food can be both delicious and healing. In conclusion, these 6 foods are not just ingredients. They're your allies in the journey toward a healthier gut. Imagine waking up each day feeling lighter, more energized, and ready to take on the world. By simply adding these affordable, effective foods to your meals, you can transform your digestion and boost your immune system. It's all about those small changes that lead to big results. So, which of these powerhouses will you invite into your kitchen first? I want to hear from you. Drop your choice in the comments. And if you're eager for easy recipes that highlight these foods, stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on simple, delicious ways to enhance your health. Thank you for joining me at Moha's Health Hub, where we make healthy living not just achievable but enjoyable. Until next time, take care.